In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from TikTok to PayPal. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you link your PayPal account to TikTok, you will have the ability to withdraw any amount of money that you have accumulated inside of TikTok directly to PayPal. So what you have to do is go into your TikTok profile on the latest version of the app. When you are in your profile page, tap these little three lines at the top right corner of the screen of your profile and you will be able to select settings and privacy. Now, in all of these options, you have to go into balance. It is usually going to be located at the top underneath the account category. Inside the balance options, you will be able to see how many coins you have and your live reward balance. If you tap your live reward balance, you will find the withdraw option at here. As you can see, since I don't have any balance in my account, the option is grayed out. But if you have balance, it is going to be a red button, and when you tap withdraw, you will be able to input the amount that you want to withdraw, and at the top, as I've highlighted in the picture that I'm showing you, you have the option to add a new payout method. So in order to transfer money from TikTok to PayPal, select Add a new payout method and follow through the instructions on screen. Select PayPal after you choose your account or region, and when you select PayPal from the list of options, you will be immediately redirected to the PayPal app or website where you can finish setting up and linking both accounts. You will have to authorize linking PayPal with TikTok, and as long as you are able to sign and verify your PayPal account, it is going to appear as a payout method inside of TikTok. When you are done at following through the instructions on screen to link PayPal to TikTok, you will be redirected back to the withdraw window where you have to agree to the terms and conditions and be aware of any possible fees. And you will be able to input the minimum amount of funds and choose the PayPal account that you just linked. You can link as many payout methods as you wish, so as many PayPal accounts as you have, and after you select any of them from the list of linked accounts, you will be able to withdraw the money from this window. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from TikTok to PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.